The answer to number 14 from the January 2019 Regents is answer choice 3. All right, so anytime they ask you a question involving the focus and the directrix, you should pull out your scrap graph paper and plot everything that they give you. All right, so they tell me the focus is -3, 3. The focus is the food. It has to be inside of the parabola's mouth. And then the directrix is y equals 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The directrix is a line. Okay, so the vertex of the parabola has to be exactly in the middle of the directrix and the focus. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 units up. So the vertex is 2 units above the focus and 2 units below the directrix. It has to eat the focus, eat the food. Okay, and this is my parabola now, so I have to write the equation of it. So I need the vertex. So the vertex is -3, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need the p-value. The p-value is point to point. So my p-value here is 2. Now, the parabola is sad. See how it's turning down? So because it's sad, I know that my p-value will go into my equation with a negative in front of it. All right, so it is x minus h squared equals 4p y minus k. You have to memorize this. This is not given to you. Okay, so my vertex is hk. So I put in -3 in the h spot. I put in a 2 in the p spot. Remember, it has to be negative because it's turning downwards, the parabola. And I put a 5 in the k spot. All right, so I'm going to just clean this up a little bit. I have x plus 3 squared, because it's a double negative, -8, and then y minus 5. Okay, so now that's the equation of the parabola, but unfortunately that's not how they have their answer choices written. They have all their answer choices written with y equals. So I have to get y by itself, so I'm going to do that. So I'm actually going to take this -8 off first by dividing. There's really a 1 in front there. So I have -1/8 x plus 3 squared equals y minus 5. And then to get y by itself, I add the 5 to the other side. Now, I can't add the 3 and 5 because the 3 is inside of the parentheses with the square, so I have to just trail it at the end. So the equation of my parabola is 1/8 x plus 3 squared plus 5 at the end equals y, or more typically, we see that equals y here. So that gives us answer choice 3.